Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we have some happy mail. I got my pink zebra ScentFlirt, and it is always exciting when ScentFlirt comes in a box because it mostly comes in the bag. Do I have one? Yeah, here's what it normally comes in if you haven't seen it before. Here, move that off. Yes, I did already open it. You all know, I just don't have any chill. So a lot of times it comes in a bag like this, which is full of fun stuff too. But on those rare occasions when you get a ScentFlirt box, it's just exciting. So they always put like two little cards. I know now that's far away, but this one is for Paisley's pick for the month of May, which is going to be strawberry shortcake. It's amazing. It's got such wonderful strawberry flavor. Amazing one. And it also tells you like what things you can blend with. Ooh, I have two of these. That's happening. All right. And then this ScentFlirt is called Clean and Pure. And then it tells you what all came in the box, how much it would have cost, so that you know the value you're getting. When I opened it, the first thing I pulled out was Melon Zest Air Care Plus. The Air Care line at Pink Zebra is amazing because it's odor neutralizing. So some of them have like a light fragrance to them, and some of them are just very neutral. Like regular Air Care Plus is very neutral. This one is a vibrant medley of citrus zest and refreshing melons. Excuse me. And this one is considered a ScentFlirt exclusive. Okay, it's not considered a sneak peek. So that means this one may not be coming to the catalog at any time. That's important to know. Some things are exclusive to ScentFlirt and some things are like sneak peeks of what's coming up soon. I know you can't really see because of the pink bag. Let me see. I get more of like a cantaloupe honeydew fragrance from this. It's nice and light, super chill. Great for not only your warmers, but throw it in the bottom of your trash bags. Put it in the kitty litter. Awesome. It's awesome stuff. Air Care Plus. So this is a full jar, by the way, even though it came in a bag. Our jars are 3.75 ounces. So that's a full one. So we got that guy. Put him off to the side. And then we got sample bags of Paisley's Pick, which is the strawberry shortcake. Since I'm part of Club Pink as a consultant, I also got a full carton to preview, so that's pretty awesome. So this will probably be a prize for one of my VIPs. Maybe with one of the, I'll put a sample of one of the things to mix with it too. And then you got samples of the rest of the Air Care Plus family, which is regular, freshens the air and neutralizes odors. And then we have Juicy Orange Air Care, freshens the air, neutralizes odors with notes of juicy oranges, combined with sun-warmed, I'm going to say it's neroli, to totally be wrong on that one, and verdant lemon leaves. Very citrusy. And then this one is Thai Lemon Air Care Plus. So it's going to have effervescent lemon, lush verbena, and juicy wild lime, warmed by a soft background of musk. So all three of these are in the catalog. This one is like always, like it's the bomb. And then they kind of go through and arrange that part. So that's the samples. And then the cool thing, what they needed the box for, we've never had this. So last month, if you watched the video, you knew how excited I was about the hand soap, right? Like so excited. We got dish soap, limited edition, 16 fluid ounces in the Melon Zest Air Care Plus. So, and here it says lemon, lime, watermelon, cucumber. I am so excited. So it's odor neutralizing, tough on grease, keeps hands soft. Man, I hope we start selling dish soap. That would be amazing. I can't wait to use it. I wanted to actually use it yesterday before I filmed, but I was like, no, we gotta wait. So it says Pink Zebra dish soap cuts through grease and is easy on skin, leaving you with sparkling dishes and soft hands. This powerful liquid formula cleans and deodorizes without using harmful chemicals, making it a safe choice for your family and the environment. Featuring limited edition fragrance Melon Zest Air Care Plus, this soap will bring a vibrant medley of citrus zest and refreshing melons into your home. Her signature Air Care Plus technology utilizes odor neutralizing and air freshening molecules to naturally rid the air of malodors such as smoke, pet, and kitchen odors. No worries, our formula is always safe and free of sulfates, parabens, phosphates, and triclosans. I'm going to say that. And then they give you a little QR code if like you want to shop the rest of the Super Clean line. And then it gives you the ingredients here. Now, one thing I would like to say about Pink Zebra is that they follow the rules. I don't know if you, I mean, I don't have them memorized. I'm in Indiana. California has really strict air quality rules when it comes to fragrance, candles, warmers, things like that. So they follow those rules. So anything that's not supposed to be in it is not in it. So that's pretty cool. I'm so excited to use the dish soap. So that is my Happy Mail. I'll try and get it all in frame. From Pink Zebra this month with ScentFlirt. Now, if you want Happy Mail from Pink Zebra, I'll try and put a link in the description below. But it's a monthly subscription box. You can cancel anytime. But if you stay in it for 6 months, you end up getting percentages off your fragrance orders through Pink Zebra too. So like it's mega VIP. So super fun stuff. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of my videos, hit that subscribe button and I'll catch you all in the next one.